Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and guess what? Your girl is back with another makeup video. So Coastal Scents was so nice to send me their smoky eye collection, so I just of course had to do this video for you guys just to show you guys how great their makeup is. I never used it before, so definitely this is my first time in the video trying them out. So it does come with a 26 palette. The 26 palette comes with some blushes as well, and then you guys seen that it also comes with some concealers, and the main palette out of the collection is a smoky palette with 36 eyeshadow shades, and that's the main one that I'll be using today. So just to let you guys know that this palette actually comes with some makeup brushes as well, and that's why this palette is so great for beginners, because it comes with literally everything. You get blushes, concealers, a smoky palette, and like it's just so much great stuff. So we're gonna start off with the makeup now. I already have on some primer, my foundation, and also my extreme lip injections from Too Faced that I always have to put on, and I'm going in and priming my eyelids with this e.l.f. camo concealer. This is their dewy version, and I believe this is the shade Tan Neutral. I did use these concealers in my previous makeup video that will be linked down below as well. And while we're here and I'm just priming my eyelids, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever. Also, I do have an art page now, which is at Dina Designing, and I'll have a link down below on where you guys can actually check out my art. You guys, like, let's just talk about my subscribers real quick. The numbers have been growing, which is just motivating me to post more and actually do more content for you guys. So thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to my old ones for just staying and viewing my content. And let's go back into the video. Now I'm actually setting my eyelids with my e.l.f. powder. I couldn't find my Airspun for some reason, so I had to use e.l.f. And then I'm going in with these two green shades here. One is more of a tealy color, but I'm going in with that matte forest green shade first, and I'm just going to go for a smoky green eye look. So I'm going to pat that all over my eyelids on both eyes. And then actually, let's just talk about these eyeshadows real quick. They're pigmented. Like, these shadows are really pigmented. I wish I would have did a swatch test for you guys so you could see how the other shades look as well, but I really think that this is a great beginner collection. Like I was saying earlier, it does come with a 26 piece. It comes with a 26 eyeshadow set, which has blushes as well. So right there, you're saving money. Like, this is so inexpensive. If I do have a code, I'll list it down below as well. But these eyeshadows are really good. I really did like the way they blended, honestly. So you guys are gonna see me create this look, and then if I need to, I'll come back. Okay, so what I'm doing is actually adding a deeper smoky shade on the outer V of my eye, and this is going to add so much more depth to the look. Also, if you guys hear like a little sound in the background, that is my air conditioner. I know it's loud, but I'm hot, so please bear with me. So again, I am adding that smokier shade to the outer V. I believe this was a really dark gray shade that they have, or either the black shade. It kind of, I really honestly can't believe I didn't pull the color up on the camera so you guys could see, but it is one of the darker shades that I did use. I'm just going to try to blend that out as best as I can, and after I do that, I just go in with my eyebrows. What I'm using is my e.l.f. gel liner in the shade Coffee. This is a throwback. When I first started my channel, this was like what I was using for my eyebrows. I used to love this product so much that I actually decided to go ahead and use it for this one as well. So I'm just going to use that and then use a spoolie to kind of feather out the beginning of the eye as well. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyebrows, what I'm actually going to do is my eyeliner. Now this eyeliner I'm using is a liquid eyeliner from Essence, and it is like the blackest black. Like, I love this eyeliner so much. This is the shinier one. It also comes with a matte version as well. I love them and they're so affordable. I think it's about $5 if I'm not mistaken. You can find this like anywhere, any drugstore basically. So good. So I'm just putting a thin eyeliner on there, a really thin line, not really wringing it out too much. I just wanted something to put my lashes on. So once I do that, I'm gonna go in with that same tan neutral concealer I used for my eyelids. I want to place this around my whole face, and you guys, I really love this concealer. Like, it blends really good, but once it goes into the warmer months, I feel like these concealers can be really much too thick for my face. I am gonna go back to start using my NARS All Day Luminous Foundation, which I love, and then also my NARS Creamy Concealer, which I also love. Those are full coverage products, but they're definitely they're full coverage, but they're definitely lightweight, and they stay on all day. So I'm definitely going to go back into those, and I'm going to blend out everything on my face. I believe after this, I'm either going to do under my eye or do my contour or lashes, something. But you guys keep watching, and then I'll pop back in if I need to explain anything. So definitely keep watching. Okay, so I'm actually back real quick. So what I'm going to use right now is the concealers that came from the Coastal Scent package. So you guys, I was iffy about these concealers because, as you can see, kind of went on dark but ashy. So I wasn't sure on how it would blend out, and I was too scared to add more. So I go in with that damn beauty blender or beauty sponge, and I just try to blend that out. This contour color didn't really give me what I was looking for. So I ended up doing what I normally do and just using a powder, and the powder I use is actually an eyeshadow from another company. So I use that to just contour my cheekbones and just to make it look a little bit more depth in there. But these concealers, I don't know, they didn't really work with my skin tone, and that was even the darkest shade that's in there that I used. So I don't know, you guys could definitely try it out. Again, it does come in a whole pack, so if you do plan on testing makeup up on other people as well, you could definitely play around with the other concealer colors and just see if that works for their skin tone, because everyone's skin is completely different. So I'm doing under my eye now with this eyeshadow, the same colors I used on the lid. I'm using on my lower eye. Yeah, I made a boo-boo right there. You guys can see I kind of brought that black out a little bit too far. I'm going to try to blend that out so everything could go back to looking cohesive. And now you guys could continue watching, and then I'll be back if need to. So I am using one of my favorite lip combos to complete this look, and I'm also going to be using my Morphe setting mist. Yo, that Morphe setting mist, everyone must use it, like for real. Anyway, so this is the finished look. I'm also going to add some gloss on top of my lip combo, and then you guys will see the finished look. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like. Also follow me on my Instagram at dbeautyforever, also my art page at Dina Designing. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.